Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Namecheap. So let me take you to the website, which is namecheap.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Namecheap is a leading domain registrar and web hosting platform trusted by millions for affordable and reliable online solutions. From domain registration and web hosting to SSL certificates, email, and security tools, Namecheap makes building your online presence simple and cost-effective. With 24 by 7 support and competitive pricing, it's a perfect choice for entrepreneurs, businesses, and creators. So what you're waiting for? Come to their website, explore all their amazing products, and if you like something, why don't you go ahead and subscribe for those products? Totally up to you. But we are not here for that. We are here to earn money from Namecheap. Possible? As usual, yes. You simply have to join their affiliate program, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, as usual, you will receive the commission. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program? I didn't find any restrictions for that. So regardless of your country, as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of the affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote Namecheap in order to receive commission? No restriction found there as well. So regardless of the country, of your audience, of your traffic, so long as Namecheap is available to the consumer or the traffic of that country, you can promote them, and when you bring sales to them, you'll receive commission. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can come to the footer section of their website. Over here, you can click on affiliates, which will take you to the affiliate program page. And over here, you can learn more about the affiliate program so you get high conversion, quick and easy setup, and regular payouts. How exactly it works? You access your affiliate account, share your affiliate link, and watch your commission grow. Become an affiliate. So to be part of the affiliate program, you must be joining Impact or CJ, one of these affiliate marketing network. More on it in a couple of minutes. And if you scroll down, you will see more here, the quick links. So you can click on commission rates. When you do that, it will take you to this page. Over here, you get to learn about the commission rates. So as an affiliate, how much can you earn? For example, if you bring someone, if they buy domain subscription, you could get 20% commission. For hosting packages, 35% commission. SSL certificates, 35% commission. Private email and premium DNS, 20% commission. Not just that, if you scroll down, VPN, you could even get 100% commission for the first purchase and 53% recurring commission for the 6 renewals. That's awesome. Even for 1 year plan, you could get 53% commission. And if you scroll down, you can see even more details that you can read for better understanding. If you go back to the affiliate information page once again, over here, click on affiliate knowledge base. It will take you to this page. Anything that isn't covered in this video, you can come to this page. You can explore all these questions and find the answer if you like. These are like general FAQs. Then over here, if you still have question, you can click on email our affiliate program team now, and you can write an email to the email address that is affiliates@namecheap.com. So how do you apply for the affiliate program? For that, you can come to the website called Impact, or rather impact.com. Now, what is Impact and what does that have to do with Namecheap? Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, we must join either Impact or CJ as an affiliate to apply for the affiliate program of Namecheap, and we are choosing Impact. Now, how do you create an affiliate account with Impact? Well, just so you know, Impact call affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. And to create an account, you simply click on Request a Demo on their website from the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here, within for creators, influencers, and publisher, click on sign up as a partner. It will take you to the sign up page. You can complete the registration from this page and create yourself a publisher account with Impact. Now I understand that many nuances involved when you are trying to register for any affiliate marketing network. Don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use impact.com affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free affiliate Impact account. Once you have an account with them, you can come to the website once again. This time, click on sign in. enter your credential on the login page, and then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard or the publisher dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Namecheap, but the focus of the video is simply the affiliate program of Namecheap. So how do you find the affiliate program? For that, you can click on Discover, and then you can click on Find Brands, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can click on All Brands, and with the name, ID, and keyword search, start typing the name, that is Namecheap, and then click on Enter. It will show their tile, so you can click on this tile to get affiliate program details of Namecheap. And over here, you can see within Promote section, online sell is between $5 to 100% commission, as what we had seen in their commission rates affiliate program page. And to have more details, you can click on View Terms. It will take you to this page. Over here, you will see the bifurcation of different commission rates depending on the item list category. And if you scroll down, you would also be able to see program terms and agreement. I highly recommend that you read it for better understanding. Once you've read it all, you can come back here. You can click on details and you would get to see where the service in more than 222 countries. So that means if you bring sales to them from the consumer of any of these countries, you could end up getting commission. And if you scroll down, you can see they provide unique promo code tracking as well, mobile site tracking, pixel, piggy bank, deep linking. And not just that, if you scroll down, you can see they are open to placements as well. That means they could even give you the placement opportunity. They're also open to influencers. That means even if you don't have a website or a blog, you could still apply to them, assuming you have a social media presence and you have good traffic and audience. And then if you look at the left-hand side, you will see some more details. And let's say you want to apply to the affiliate program. In that case, you can simply click on Apply button. It will open up this overlay window. Over here, you can tell Namecheap why you want to work on this campaign. You might want to write good thing about you because that could help Namecheap affiliate program team to understand your business model, and it could help you in getting the approval from them. So for me, I have already written. I'm just gonna paste it in here. Similar to this, you can also write something good about yourself and then click on Apply. When you click on apply, your application to the affiliate program team of Namecheap would go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they will give you the approval. It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks' time. How would you know that you have been approved by them? You'll be notified by an email. Once you have received the email about the confirmation of the approval, you can log into Impact Publisher account once again, and this time click on Discover and click on My Brands, which will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to see all your approved brands, including Namecheap. Right, so you got the approval. Then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website of Namecheap. You have to use tracking link. So how do you create your tracking link? For that, you can come to the homepage of Impact Affiliate Dashboard. Once again, look at the left-hand side, the section, create a link. Within brand drop down, you can select Namecheap, but since we are still waiting for Namecheap to review and approve my application, just for the demo purpose, I'm going to go with SEMrush. Similar to this, you can select Namecheap from here, and then you have to mention a landing page. For example, I want to create a tracking link for their homepage. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to come here. I'm going to paste the link within landing page field, and then I can click on create. When I do that, it will create a tracking link for me, which I can use. I can share with my audience, with my traffic. But for this instance, it did not work because I tried creating a tracking link for Namecheap by selecting brand as SEMrush. In your case, assuming you have been approved by Namecheap and you select the Namecheap brand from here and the landing page URL should be of Namecheap, it should create a tracking link for you. Let's say you don't want to create your own tracking link, but rather you want to use existing links. How do you find those links? For that, you can click on content, you can click on assets. It will take you to the section. Over here, you can choose what kind of links you want. You want image link, videos link, emails, coupon, articles, and other. Let's say you're interested in image link. So you can click on images, and from the left hand side, you can select the brand, in our case, Namecheap, but just for the demo purpose, I'm going to go with SEMrush once again. And once you have selected Namecheap from here, you can see which of the image link or banner link that you like. For example, you like this one. You can click here. It will open the overlay window. And from here, if you want, you can simply just download the image from this option within preview. You can also go to asset code. You can take the HTML link code from here, integrate it from the backend of your website, or you can also take tracking link and just copy this and share it with your audience or your traffic. So this is how you can either create your own tracking link or use any of the available assets. All right, so the next question arises, where can you promote Namecheap? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by Namecheap, you can promote a Namecheap anywhere on your website. It could be homepage, category page, wherever you feel like it's more suited for your audience. Feel free to integrate the links accordingly. Second is blog. Now, blog could be amazing here because you could write blog posts about different products available at Namecheap, and within those blog posts, you can integrate your tracking links. So this way, when people would read those blog posts, they could click those tracking links and end up subscribing to Namecheap, and you will end up getting commission based on the sale amount. Third way is social media. Now, social media could be great here because you could create videos, reels, shorts, posts, and you can put your tracking link either in the description or comments. This way, when people would watch your content, they'd see your content. If they like it, they will click on the link, and as usual, if they buy something, you get commission. Fourth way is business services website. Now, people come to these kind of websites to learn about different business services available. Maybe as an affiliate, you have such a website. If that's the case, you might want to create a standalone section for brands like Namecheap. This way, when people would come to your website, they'll see standalone section, they'll click on that section, they'll explore all different products available for these brands, and they'll click on those links, and you would end up getting commission based on the sale amount. What about the performance? Let's say you started bringing sales to Namecheap. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the Impact dashboard once again, Impact Affiliate dashboard. Once you're here, you can click on reports and you can click on overview. It will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to see the overview of your performance. You can change date range and you can scroll down and see more details. Then, if you want to have more details, you can click on reports, go by performance by brand. You will get to see how you're performing by each brand. You will also be able to see performance by day, so you can explore all different reports for better understanding of your analytics. What about the accumulated commission? So for that, you can look at the top right hand side. Over here, you would be able to see the accumulated balance. There are different options that you can go and you can explore. For example, if you want to see your pending commission, you can click on pending commission. If you click here, you will get to see the history of your earnings. And here you would get to see your invoices. And if you'll click on balance, it will take you to the section. And over here, you would be able to see your accumulated commission. And to receive this commission, you can click on bank account settings and ensure your payment methods are updated. So over here, you will have two options to choose from depending on your region. It could be either PayPal or electronic fund transfer. So depending on your region and preference, you could either choose electronic fund transfer or PayPal. And what you will choose, you can then select the country and then give the information accordingly. You can also decide to receive the payment automatically by deciding a minimum payment threshold, or you can also decide to receive commission on a fixed day of the month. So this is how you can update your payment method and start getting commission from Impact. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Namecheap. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them, and you start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Namecheap. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.